What's up, guys? Welcome back to a21bravo. Today we're going to do some things and we're going to go out and drive the car. I already drove the car, so I know what's going to happen, but it should be pretty exciting for you guys, so watch this. And if you guys got any type of enjoyment out of this, be sure to leave a like and a comment. Tell me all about it. And subscribe if you're new, because there's a lot more coming. So today I got out of work and was going to start working in the garage and didn't really feel like it, so we're cruising in the Z right now and just gonna kind of play around and have a good time. And I want to try out the Track Addict app again, because last time I was gonna use that thing is when I blew up the transmission on my truck, so I never actually got to use it at that point. So I'm gonna test that thing out and see how it goes. I'm taking the Angry Elephant on a Joyride today. I call it the Angry Elephant because listen to this. Did you hear it? You accelerate hard in high gear, low RPM, it sounds like an angry elephant. Didn't hit any limiter at all, did I? Fucking spinning all the way through fourth. Jesus Christ. Boom! No, it just rattles. I'm 2 for 2, guys. I'm just gonna fucking send it. Well, guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but I think I'm 2 for 2 on breaking the trans with the Track Addict app. You hear it? I'll go to first gear. First gear's fine, but you can hear that rattle. Second gear's fine. I'm gonna try to go to third. I'm gonna get around the corner quick. I'll try to go to third, because it did this when I was going into third gear. I was pulling around a corner and went to downshift into third, and it was like kind of hard to get into third. It wouldn't go, and then I just slammed it and went boom, and then now it fucking rattles like shit. So now I'm gonna try to go to third. So that's third. Go back down to second. So second's fine. Fourth is fine. It still rattles, but... And fifth is good. I tested it while I was driving, but... I think I fucked up third. 2 for 2, boys. So I'm just gonna keep sending this thing around the block a couple times and see what happens. Probably not gonna go to third anymore. Alright, gentlemen. We using my phone right now on the dash. It's a little hard to hold the other camera. We got first gear. It kind of sounds like there's just something like loose inside the trans bouncing around. Oh yeah. So third is not going to work. So what should I do? Should I baby it or... Second to fourth pull works pretty good, hey? So I guess we'll just keep going second to fourth. So guys, before you get all emotional, I already knew this trans was junk. It was already bad when I bought it. I don't know if you guys are in the loop, kind of up to date on that. When I bought it, I think I mentioned that in my live stream. Slow down so you can actually hear me. When I bought it, it didn't have sixth gear, and fifth gear was already grinding really bad. And it was doing this really weird thing when I picked it up where it would like get stuck in fifth gear. And both the times when I went to go look at it and when I picked it up, the guy I bought it from, it was stuck in gear. So it was really weird. It hasn't done it to me since I bought it. Where it would get stuck in gear like that. So I just kind of been driving it. It's been okay, but I think that's what happened after I did a couple pulls with it. I think it was actually stuck in fifth or in a different gear or whatever, because it like did not want to go. After one of the pulls, it did the same thing, but I actually pulled over to the side and futzed with it until it would go into gear. But this time I was going around a corner and it got stuck and I just fucking slammed it in gear and it went boom! And then it started making this rattling noise, so whatever. What can you do, guys? It's broke. I mean, it still mostly drives. I'm almost wondering if something happened to the clutch because, I don't know. guess the only way to find out is to pull it apart. So what I need to do is get this other frickin' engine done so I can drive my other truck, because I've been driving this thing to work lately. So I'm just gonna go get home, park it, and crack a beer, and we'll work on the engine.